your foot is up like this. It's just a regular piece of paper, regular printed paper. Oh, it's even small, so okay. I'm gonna get this one. Just trying to avoid the imperfection. And I got my machine set on $3.95 for 60 seconds. I think I didn't place this one right. The placement of this one was different from this one. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna do the back. Same process. This is the bottom. I just flip it over and I'm doing the bottom. I'm gonna run for the same. I'm thinking whether I should do it for less time because my first one, the front I did, there's a fly in here. It looks kind of burnt. I'm not sure whether it's just because of the lighting in the room or. But I will try to go maybe like 45 seconds instead of the whole 60. And let me see how that turns out. Okay. So I'm going to open it now. It's gone 45 seconds. That came out too. It's ran on the paper a little bit. And yeah, ooh, it looks good. That's my baby taking it. She was the first to tell me her brother's gonna love it. I don't know how she knows he's gonna love it. But yeah, guys. So that's what it looks like. The front is like this. This is this is the front, the top, and this is the bottom. So you know how when you wear your foot is up like this, and that's what it is. It looks kind of shifted though. I think I didn't place my socks right. Yeah, I made a mistake. I did not place my socks on right. So, but anyway, like I said, it's my first one, and so we're gonna improve as we go.